Success in 90 days may sound impossible, but the truth is that your life can change dramatically in just 3 months if you follow the right plan. Most people fail not because they lack talent, but because they lack consistency. They start with excitement and quit when things get difficult. If you want success in 90 days, you must do what most people are unwilling to do. The first step is to set clear goal. Don't try to achieve 10 things at once. Focus on one goal that can make the biggest difference in your life. Write it down and keep it where you can see it every day. The second step is to create a daily action plan. Success is not built in a day, it is built daily. Spend at least 1 hour every day working on your goal. Even small progress repeated consistently create massive results over time. The third step is to eliminate distractions. Reduce unnecessary social media scrolling. Stop wasting time on things that don't move you forward and protect your focus. Every minute you save can be invested in your future. The fourth step is to improve yourself every day. Read books, learn new skills, watch educational content, and surround yourself with positive influences. Growth is the foundation of success. The fifth step is to stay disciplined when motivation disappears. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving. The days you don't feel like working are often the days that matters the most. For the first 30 days, focus on building habits. For the next 30 days, focus on improving your skills. For the final 30 days, focus on taking massive action and executing everything you have learned. Remember this, success doesn't come from one breakthrough. It comes from small actions repeated every single day. If you stay focused, disciplined, and consistent for the next 90 days, you will be amazed by how much your life can change. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Start now, stay committed, and make this next 90 days count. Because 90 days from now, you can either have excuses or results. The choice is yours.